So, Bay Area homebuyers, are you ready to find your dream home but you're feeling a little bit overwhelmed? I'm Shannon, your local real estate expert, and I'm excited to invite you to our free Home Buyers Seminar. In just 90 minutes, you're going to gain valuable insights to confidently navigate the competitive Bay Area market. Here's what we're going to cover. Current market trends. Understand how current market conditions affect your home buying power. Financing options. Explore various programs, including how you can use your RSUs for income qualification. The buying process, of course, get a step-by-step guide from searching for your home to closing the deal. Buying a home can be stressful. Many buyers feel overwhelmed, but you are not alone. We'll discuss how to identify your must-haves, make competitive offers, handle inspections and negotiations effectively. I'll also share success stories from clients who found their dream homes in very challenging situations. Additionally, all attendees will be treated to a delightful selection of delicious snacks and appetizers to enjoy during the event. Don't let uncertainty hold you back. Spaces are limited, so reserve your spot today at www.bayareaworkshops.com or call 760-401-5268 and I'll sign you up. Join me and let's take the first step towards your homeownership goals. I cannot wait to see you there.